She knows the word.
Okay, this is Pepper, and she's picking her toys out of her toy crib. And this is what we call shopping for toys. She just takes out whatever she wants, and then she plays with it. And as you can see, she's very well supplied with toys. So let's see what she picks out next. There, she goes for another one. And you are witnessing history, folks. The shopping cat. This is Pepper, the shopping cat. She picks whatever toy she wants. And it's too cute. We're making history. She just takes whatever she wants and pulls it out and plays with it.
And when we said
Get
shopping,
your toys.
she
Get
knows
your
the word
toys.
shopping.
Okay, time out.